everybody. I'm meteorologist Kyle Pickens here with your SWX weather update. Nice calm day for the Thursday for us here in Montana, but hot, upper 90s, even a couple triple digits here and there, and that's going to continue going into the day on Friday, but things will start to change coming up towards the end of the day on Friday. Still looking at highs in the 90s to a little over 100 degrees in some places, so nice and warm there, but as we get going into Friday afternoon and especially Friday evening, these storms in the west are going to start to pop up and move eastward across the state Friday night going into Saturday morning. This cold front is going to give them a push. So we could see some rain out of these. That's good. But we're going to see some gusty winds out of these as well, especially behind the front going into the day on Saturday. And even though it will cool us down by about 10 to 15 degrees or so, it's still going to be warm, upper 80s to low 90s on Saturday. So that, combined with dry, combined with gusty, means fire weather may become an issue, especially for Saturday afternoon and maybe even Saturday evening. We'll have to keep a very close eye on that, pay very close attention to that going into the weekend. Sunday, though, things will cool down even more. Still looking dry, but highs looking to be in the upper 70s to low 80s. So nice relief from the heat we've been experiencing lately. And then things should pop back up into the 80s, right about average for the beginning of next week. Lows overnight tonight, mostly in the 60s, and there will be a few chances for some storms here and there, mostly in the mountains as we get going into the evening and nighttime hours. A highs coming up for tomorrow, though. 90s to near 100 degrees, probably a little bit warmer than that in a lot of places off in the east. Should see a good amount of sunshine before the clouds and the storms start to move in towards the end of the day. Here's a look at the rest of the week on the 7-day forecasting. 70s and 80s for the weekend, back up into the 80s for next week, but more chances for storms starting Tuesday or Wednesday as well.